Hey guys, so I'm with my friend again. Tapos na sa mag-paragliding. So sabi naman niya na-enjoy naman niya. So our next destination is yung lake kung saan nga kung saan nila ginanap yung shooting for the oh, it's there. 12:07 pa naman yan. Anyways, uy, may ticket. May ticket ba? Wala. Wala naman ticket. Yung shooting ginawa nila dito yung ano na yun? Sabi na yun, series, Korean series. Yung name ng series na. Anyways, so dito kami sa barko na to. It's a boat going to that location. And so ito yung sasakyan namin papunta doon sa location na yon. So our goal is to go to the front. Yeah. Dito. Ayun. Nalala ko na pala yung crash landing on you. So yes. Doon na sa place na yun. Anyways, where's my friend? My friend is I think on the other side of this. Yan naman ako nakatarak. Ayun. So ayoko dito mainit. So dito lang. I think my friend is on the other side of this boat. Where is he? Hanapin natin. Siguro hinahanap din niya.
Sí, vayan para allá. ¡Córrele!
Ya, hemos estado nerviosos. Esto va a
Ayun.
To jest glass.
Okay,
Hello.
thank you.
Ano yun?
Tinuruan niya ako daw. Pag may mga sunlight, tanggalin daw muna yung lens para hindi masyadong mag-reflect.
Okay.
To tak extreme snowboard.
Snowboard, yeah. Extreme?
To wtedy jest. A tak
okay.
to jest good.
Thank you so much.
Pero the whole time na nagbi-video ka, meron yan, di ba?
Oo, pero hindi naman siya ganun.
Okay.
Ale Insta jest good.
So I think we can just stay here and enjoy the view.
सन पीछे से आ रहा है बहुत क्लासिक ये खड़ा कि
ये बात सही है। पानी तो आएगा
पानी नहीं आएगा
पानी की कमी
नहीं वो देखो लोग कहाँ हैं। इसी से पोज लेता है, खड़ी है, चश्मा लगा के खड़ी है। हाँ। नाइस, थोड़ा अच्छे से पोज दो। नाइस।
आपके लिए लूं? आइए पापा, पापा, पापा आइए। आइए आप भी खड़े हो जाइए। आइए नहीं देती हूँ ना, एक आइए, आइए ना।
यहीं से ले लो। मम्मी को बुला के। मुश्किल होता है।
Look at this guy.
एक मिनट ना, बस 10 सेकंड का बन जाए।
लड़की को कन्वीन करके पता नहीं।
Sorry.
No, it's fine, it's fine.
Who said over there? Idea was the one, right? So this I had a parachute.
Next stop, Nami.
So based dun sa nakita natin doon na park, pwede pala mag-swimming dito. Tatawid lang tayo ng lake na to para makapag-swimming. Kasi mas maganda yung place dito para mag-swimming. So wait lang natin magbukas yung parang hagdanan dito. I like access. Where are they going? Stop over lang pala ito. Okay. Stop over lang. So hindi pa pala talaga yung destination. This is just a stop over. Okay. Okay. Stop over lang pala. Hindi pa pala yung...
Hindi pala yung swimming area, oh.
Oo, pwede pala tayo dito.
Wala tayong dalang pang
Oo nga. But brief.
Ha?
Brief lang.
That's like because we have to. We have to.
Yeah, 24 hours. Actually,
Ma. Salah.
So we are finally here. Okay. The other side. So finally, nandito na nga tayo sa isla ng, hindi pala isla. This is just the other side of the hotel. So this is Eiseltwald. Eiseltwald yung pangalan ng place na to. Silong muna tayo dito while waiting for our friend. Ayun, nakita ko na yung friend ko. Okay, so one thing that I noticed is that once na nakababa na pala yung mga pasahero is aalis na agad yung barge or yung barko. So yeah, let's try to explore kung anong meron dito. So this is it. Ito pala yung pinakasikat na yun, yung Crash Landing on You, kung saan nagpiano si Captain Reed. Ito pala yun. Ayan na yun. Okay. So here, nakita niyo dito maraming Koreano. Ayan. Ay, nagpo-post si Kuya. Dito, Koreans. Ay! Wait. Medyo nakatilt pala masyado yung akin. Ayan. Mga Koreano. Ayan. So, nagbayad na yung papasok ka doon mismo kung saan nagpiano si Captain Reed. So, yeah. Ito na yun. This is it?
Yes.
Wow. Amazing. So, ito na pala yun. Ito na talaga yun. Yung area na yan. Na-witness natin kanina si Kabayan nag-propose ng wedding kay ate. So hot. Oh, so ayan, nakapag-picture na kami doon sa kung saan nagpiano si Captain Reed, and we are planning to explore this area kaso parang nakakatamad na. So at least this will leave us a reason to come back kung sakali man. But I think there's a lot of areas here that we can explore. Ito lang yung area dito hanggang doon, and then yun yung mga bahay doon. So pwede siyang lakad-lakarin kapag hindi ka naghahabol ng oras. But because meron pa kaming swimming schedule, naka-schedule kasi kami ngayon for swimming, dun lang malapit sa aming hotel. So yeah, I hope you like this part of the tour, and if you being so generous, please click that like button. And if you are very generous, paki-share na rin and follow. So, thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this part of the trip, and see you next time on my next vlog. Bye. Thank you and goodbye.
Hey guys.